Hey everyone, just going over my personal brand for this week. I would say my personality is definitely hardworking and determined. I display most of this in all of my jobs, whether it's working at the gym for the Eagles, the engineering department, or CSU football. My consistency is always giving each position my determination. Like I said before, I do work in four different departments. Even though, for example, I want to do media management in the NHL, you would think that I would give the most to the Eagles, but I think that all three of my other jobs are just as important. So I think that just determination is key when you are working with so many different jobs. Lastly, even though I'm not a professional, I still have to look at myself as one in some situations. I'm an intern in three of my positions with the Colorado Eagles, the engineering department, and the CSU football team. And I have made mistakes, but I do try to catch my mistakes more and more due to being on huge professional platforms. For example, the Eagles have a lot of followers, and so do the CSU football team. So just making sure I am catching those mistakes or spelling and whatnot, I think is a huge deal, even though I am an intern. And again, I do make mistakes. I just think it is important doing that whenever you are a professional and even before you're a professional.